Hello there and welcome back to another drone update video. Today we're at the very iconic and distinguishable even, Huddersfield Station. Here we have the magnificent Huddersfield Station, often described as one of the best looking stations in the country. It's certainly impressive. Built in 1850, it has a Grade 1 listed status, and it's easy to see why. The improvements to the station are extensive, too many to list here in full. The design document covering the station is 69 pages long. One of the key things to call out is that there are no plans to change the front of the station. The key changes that will be made to the station are: the canopy over platform 1 will be extended to cover its entire length. Replacement and repair of the roof. The original large one dates back to the 1880s. It's a relatively rare surviving example of a large span Euston style roof. This is a large roof on the right. The one on the left will be replaced with a modern one. Relocation and renovation of the historic tea room. This will be dismantled piece by piece and reassembled at a later date, a short distance from its current location. It will also be rotated 180 degrees to make the cafe a more prominent feature. It's virtually in its original layout from the 1800s. Creation of 2 additional covered platforms in the current sidings. This will allow the station to handle more trains. The existing subway will be refurbished and extended to the new platforms. A new accessible footbridge to all platforms providing lift access. General improvement in the lighting around the station. A new car park on the north side of the station, as well as a new entrance. Platforms at the Leeds end of the station will be extended over John Williams Street to allow for longer trains. Look out for a future video about this. The completed station will be a mixture of heritage and modern features. At some point during the works, the station will close for extended periods and a temporary station / platform will be used at the Hill House sidings. Look out for a future video about this. Taken from the Network Rail design document, this image shows how many Grade 1 and 2 listed buildings there are in the area around the station. Most of them you can see from this shot. Thanks for watching today's update video at Huddersfield Station by drone. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for more videos coming soon. Bye for now.